Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place where you wanna be watching me from. I wanna say Happy New Year! Happy New Year to each and every person watching this video, and to all my viewers and to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for 18.9 subscribers. Be blessed always, be blessed always. You are the best. 2023 was the best. Now we are welcoming another best of best years, 2024. Please, I'm far away from the village. I'm in the town, in the city over here, and here it's actually near to the airport. As you see, the airport is just right here, some 100 plus or maybe 200 meters from here. It's the airport. The reason why I'm here, before I get out of Kenya, I just decided to come here because for the flight people who have been in flight, they know very well you have to be there a few days before, because I cannot travel because my flight will be on 3rd and I travel on 2nd. I'll be very tired, so I came here to just relax a little bit. Then on 2nd at night, that will be on 3rd at 4 at 5 no at 3, that's where do my flight. So guys, I'm wishing you a happy new year 2024, and please subscribe if you haven't. This is a new year guys, new style, new everything. I'm in the city and Nairobi city is on fire at 2024. I want to take you to different destinations of Nairobi. As Nairobi, it's Nairobi, but it has different places. We have Westlands, we have the other places, we have 2 rivers on the other end. I'm going to share with you 2 different places here in Nairobi, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. Let's go. Oh man, ooh, look at the staircases. Very nice, very amazing. I'm waiting. Me and Howie, she's down here, downstairs. Wow, amazing, very beautiful, great and amazing area. Oh, people have put on their best looks. Even if people have put on their best looks. Yeah, around here. Even if the house gets burnt, they have no asara. They have no absolutely. They have no what we call like how do we call it? Asara. How do we call asara? Losses. They have no loss. Yeah. It's Happy New Year actually. It
is, and the sun is
it's Happy New Year. This is 2024. It's very bright. As bright as 2024.
Bright as 2024.
Yeah, introduce yourself, Min.
My name is Minhawi, guys.
Yes.
Yes. I am a content creator, a YouTuber.
Hi. How are you? Wacha niku. Happy New Year, bro. Thank you so much. Ako bien. Happy New Year, bro. Kabisa baba. Happy New Year. Ile yangu tu. Unajua lazima Happy New Year tufurahie. Si kwa TikTok. Haya bro. Walai. Si kwa TikTok. Haya bro. Thank you.
I wish you the very best.
Thank you so much, brother. Hey guys, it's Happy New Year in Nairobi, maze. Things are great on the other side of this end. Woo. Hi. Is it going all moving? It's very dusty today. My expectation was to see Nairobi very muddy, but it's crazy beyond the expectations about everything, how everything is around here. So you know, you have to rhyme the energy with other people. That's one thing I have, because the other night they were very crazy on the other sides. So there are those who have been on the other side. Howie, can you rhyme with my energy?
No, that's too much for me. Maybe.
Yes? Come this side. No, maybe.
Yeah.
Let's cross. Let's fast a little bit.
Yeah.
Guys, the roads are so much, to an extent that, man, this is Nairobi for you. This is pipeline.
Even most African countries, this is how they cross.
This is. Will you jump? Let me see if you can jump. You go back. Pipeline Transami. Because the reason why today is very clear is because it is a holiday, guys. It's a holiday going on a holiday. So we are coming from this side, and let's go from this point, and we want to be going to the other side. So we're going to town. There's another place called Pipeline Transami, and we want to see what's next on the other side. You have to board this. How would you? To Nyayo. But Nyayo also is near town.
You can't walk. You want to walk to town after Nyayo?
Yes. No, it's better to be no problem. Let's have a ride in town.
I think you need a bus.
I'm a new. Let's go on the other side then.
I think the other side will work
Wait,
better.
yes. Will you jump? You can use the other side. You can step inside here. Hey. You know, guys, this is one of the beautiful area. Actually, we are in that. It's like an industrial area.
It
right?
is industrial area.
It is. Oh man, industrial area. Wow, it's industrial area actually, and it's near the airport actually. Like 200 meters from here,
Yeah,
we are in the airport.
Just behind here.
Right here, guys. So let's head in town. Let's see the energy. Let's match the energy of 2024. It's a year where we are so much happy. One of the greatest area, man.
Yeah. I'm so happy.
Yes.
Grateful.
Yes.
For this year. I can't wait. What? Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Yes. You have started slapping people. She has started slapping people in 2024.
Actually,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
How are you?
I'm okay.
How's 2024 for you?
It's booming, it's running,
Man.
everything is nice.
Yes.
I can't wait for 2024. Show me what it has for me.
The first greetings came from the drunkards, man.
Oh my God, you went literally.
I might be the drunkard 2024, but I'm not dreaming that. It's like I'm dreaming to create more friendship with every different people, you know. I'm this guy. Even if I go to different people, like I rhyme. I was in South Africa, Johannesburg, where things like their cabeza has different minds. The head, cabeza is a head in Spanish. Yeah, like hey, even people were telling me don't go, but I went there and they rhyme together. So it's like you rhyme the energy.
Yeah, you just fit in with the energy, you blend in well.
You blend in well.
And then everything will be okay. But in the meantime, guys, we are in
beautiful concrete.
This area is called almost pipeline area.
Pipeline, yeah. Transami actually.
Transami, then next is pipeline. So it's a bit of industrial. It's very highly populated.
Absolutely.
So and it's cheap to walk or get houses around here.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
When
and
you want,
it's only that we have.
Yeah,
it's only that we haven't shown them the concrete jungle. It's just over here, like. Man, you find houses like this, they are aligned to the other side. Alright guys, this is Nairobi on fire 2024. I'm going to show you the new face of Nairobi 2024. No people, no much commotion, no traffic jam.
Day, you know how full this place is normally.
A Monday like today.
It's normally packed, like people walking cars and all that. There's always a lot of traffic. So, but then today, it's a bit free and I like it today because there's nobody here.
Wow.
People have the time to go around and
absolutely guys, let's go and hear some different perspective from different people. Alright guys, the energy is soul energy. It's a holiday. Alright man. Guys, we want to use another this one over here for Utawala. And on the other beautiful thing is we want to share with you the different graphics, the graffitis of these cars. Yes, I'm seeing the means 50 boom. So alright. Should go up to the far end. Oh my god. So guys, we missed. And we have to stand now.
we have to stand.
We have to stand. Alright guys, let's move and see. This is Nairobi for you. It's the Matatu culture for us. WorldRemit. It's Nairobi for you. We blend in everything, you know. Alright. I gotta see it, man.
Hi guys.
It's amazing, man. So let's wait and see.
I miss this. I miss like
commute from one point to another.
Yeah, like you have to move. You cannot walk literally. So I miss this and I'm happy that it's happening.
Alright, man.
Yeah.
Let's go in Anisha, Nairobi for you.
Okay. Ooh, well, we don't want trouble.
It's new here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm hoping this year with the traveling, maybe it will be one of the greatest years. Maybe I might extend maybe to travel for another 11 countries so that I can mark 22 countries in the world. It will be very great, guys. Let's. Nairobi one way. We'll be happy to see with you these great things that are happening. City look this way. It's as green as it is, man. It's like a village, but the greenery. Biggest hospital actually in Nairobi West hospital. Very, very big.
Mimi ni pasta. Mimi ni pasta naenda mahubiri saa hii.
my god, we just alighted and stuff has been so great on the other side. Swabera Street for you, and we're starting for this great area. We are in Nairobi, guys. Nairobi itself for you and for each and every person around. And now it's very clean today, very it's very clean, guys. And on this other end, it's one of the craziest way. Today in the streets, no people around. There's no much people, as you see, because it's just a holiday. Every day going on a holiday. Content creators on the other end, amazing and great and very sad. So we usually say in Nairobi City in on Sundays, on Nairobi City on weekends like now, it's one of the most craziest way. That's one of the most oldest buildings, Standard Chartered, over there. I don't know if you'll be able to see because of the sun scorching. Maybe I should be on this end. We are just roaming. Wow. Let me share with you from this end to the other end. Nairobi for you guys. And these two buildings here is Nation Center. This is where everything, every news are being anchored from the other side, from the other end. So I thought I should be on this other end of the great areas. This is Nairobi City County, for a greener and cleaner city. So please let me know in the comment section what you think about this. And on your other end, what's on the other side? You see Cameo Casino Street. Look at the beautiful flowers, man. I usually say Nairobi City, hot. It's on fire. Nairobi on fire. It's burning. I love this. This is the hotel. I told you some days, man. Oh, when Burundian Traveler and we were here at Sarova. This is Sarova Stanley Hotel. It's one of the best hotels actually. Oh, my shoes. Let me just close my shoes and we see how everything is on the other side. I'm seeing a lot of content creators on the other side enjoying their best photographies, photo everything, but everything is nice. This is the city, Nairobi City. We usually say it is what it is. Aje bro, yeah, it is what it is. So let's see on the other end, have a lot of content creators on the other side, but photography on the other end, very great, amazing. So I took my card, DTB card, from this area of Nation Center, of the other great area. We also have electric buses. They are Metro Trans. They are electric buses. Very great on the other end. Nairobi City, Kenya. It is on fire, for sure on fire. With me, honestly speaking, I've never seen it this way. I've never seen it this way. They're very clean. I see. Let me see. There's this guy. I think he's from. He want to capture Minhawi. Let me go behind. Let me check. It's the best Sarova Stanley. I actually crave, man, to be inside there. For now, will they even understand who I am? And on this other end, that's Minhawi. That's Minhawi with a street kid. Actually, he requested, instead of giving me money, please buy me food. And this is 2024 for you guys, honestly speaking. You know, he's just an honest person. If there's another one, he could have asked you for money, but with him, we gave him money. He said no. Instead of giving him money, because the strict has to buy food from the supermarket, please go buy something from the supermarket. But in Anishir, that's the cleanest city for you. It's the capital city of Africa. Amazing. He says he has 3 kids. Ah, yeah.
Unga na mafuta ya kupika.
The small shopping for him. Says it's because of New Year he cooked chapati. She said he cooked chapati.
Yeah, we cook chapati.
Okay.
Tutakuwa na celebration.
Oh, okay. So from doing a shopping to the boy, he was so happy. So we want to move from this point of this other street. We are going to one of the greatest area called Two Rivers, because now here the commotion is not that much. I'm so surprised with Nairobi City, Kenya for today. So where are you taking me?
We're going to Two Rivers.
I've never been there.
Yes, severally.
I've never been there actually.
So brace yourself, and I'll come near there to make my nail.
Okay. So we're on this other end. Yes. Make sure you hold it tight.
I know.
I know you know Nairobi, but
I may be surprised.
you might be surprised. Very, very.
I know. I also know that part. So
Let's head on the other end, man. So see you in Two Rivers, guys.
see you guys.
All right, man. On the other end, I don't think if there's a lot of cars. And it's the most heaviest and craziest street vibe of the matatu. 1, 2, 3 here. It's the matatu. It's very amazingly. Still, the street work continues. If you are not careful here, your stuffs have got sucked from this side. Like, this is very crazy area. It's very
Notorious for snatching.
around here.
They even chase you out when the car is running and they hit your hand, and your hand can break just because of holding on.
Of one thing.
Yeah.
Sawa sawa. Let's head, guys, and we're gonna be sharing with you some best amazing thrilling journey of Nairobi, Kenya. Remember, it's Nairobi on fire. Two sides of Nairobi. Where do you work? Where did you work?
My shift used to start from 5. Walk here every day except for Saturdays and Sundays. Let me show you. You grew that.
This area reminds me when I was going to have my Indian visa. Actually, this is the road I commuted to while I was going to the Indian embassy. have Rwanda embassy over here. This right up there. Rwanda embassy, Rwandan embassy. I never knew. The other side we are going for Indian embassy now.
Yeah.
So guys, if you have never expected how green Nairobi is, that's how it is. That's how the very great Advertise. Very nice areas of the other side. When we are with Claude Joseph, we are expecting to learn more about the different destinations in this world as we are traveling together with you. It will be so much selfish if I won't share with you this great moment with your Revelings first 2024 and share with you these great areas. It might be like you want to travel to other places and don't know where the embassies are. I've shown you where the great embassies are. So initial enjoy. We're heading to one of the greatest area, Two Rivers. That's the embassy of Poland over there. This is the other side of Kenya that they'll never ever show you on this map. But thank God we are with Claude Joseph over here. And he's able to share with you this. The bamboos are, guys, very beautiful bamboos. Enjoy traveling in Kenya with Claude Joseph.
High end, let me just say that. But if you just wanted to go there, just see it.
We just alighted over here in one of the greatest areas. As she promised, she told me she's going to bring me here. Two rivers. And of course we are here at Two Rivers. Alright guys, let's go to Two Rivers. We see. I mean, how he promised me, I'm bringing you here. So, wow, it looks so amazing and very quiet. Seems like the rich people hide here. And of course they hide. Alright guys, let's go and see. On the other end, it's the best high end of this area. Alright guys, Nairobi on fire guys. Me even I can't wait to be on the around here. I wish we could be here at night. Hey.
Yesterday I told you to come, but so
you know me, I was like, you know, sometimes when my heart tells me don't, I don't.
Okay.
But when my heart tells me go, even if it's at the what, I'll go. Hey man, look at the beautiful area. Actually, very
pretty.
Do you love this? Mostly guys, this is usually, they usually say, oh, Nairobi only so show us the city. Look. Man, this is another vibe of another flower actually. I think we have these things in the village. It smells like michifu for those who know michifu. But this is another vibe of michifu. It is a flower actually. It usually produces black. The flower like this produces black things and then we eat them. Hey, but this is magnificent. This is magnificent, man. Hey, I never expected this in Kenya, but now I'm seeing it in Kenya and I'm like, wow, we are in Kenya. Kenya, Nairobi 2024 on fire. And of course it is on fire. It's amazing, beautiful and great areas. Most people might think this is not Kenya, man. This is Kenya. Two Rivers. And the good thing with me, the good thing with Claude Joseph is I've been taking you around, sharing with you how beautiful areas is. Look, this is the full setup yesterday at night. People came here crazily. And I tend to share with you some beautiful areas, educating you how areas are, how great things are around. And man, you feel like you are in abroad, not in abroad. You feel like you are in another place, not in Kenya. In Kenya, I'm like, what? Howie? What do you see?
What did you? This is to River Sea.
Yeah, this is to River Sea.
It's the biggest mall in East and Central Africa, guys.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So it is a mall?
It is a mall.
Oh, man.
It has everything you can think of.
Even cars?
Even cars.
Oh, so we can buy a car here.
They're parking. Look at the parking. Looks so
Oh,
nice.
this is the parking area.
Like that's the entrance to the park.
Where? Sure, you think we are in America?
Yep.
Eh, man. If this we have it in Kenya then. And because it's actually in the middle of nowhere, man.
Yeah.
In the forest, you pass the forest, rivers. You pass, you come and you like, hey?
Yeah.
It's really what it is. It is what it is, actually.
It is what it is. And of course we have that. I think we're going on that.
What is that?
Look at that swing, like the Eye of London.
Oh, not Eye of London,
It looks
Dubai
like it.
Eye. Like a Dubai Eye.
Yeah, even the Eye of London, that looks the same. So I don't know whether that's the Eye of Nairobi.
But with me, actually, if I buy land, I'll plant this kind of trees out in the compound,
The
actually.
compound looks so nice.
I'll plant this kind of trees on the compound, actually. It's one of the greatest.
Yeah.
Look how serene the great environment, man. Look. What? What? Eh?
Okay.
Guys, I know you have this in your places, but don't be surprised or don't be flabbergasted by Claude Joseph trying to say this is this. It's because of the Kenyan place, and I'm like, oh man, I never expected.
To record like at the entrance.
All right.
So let's wait and see.
All right.
Okay. Watch us like.
Guys,
like,
I was in this mall, guys.
like as the entire family. What? The entire family. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Actually, guys,
Family of Change. Like you have 8 of us of your subscribers are from our family.
wow, thank you so much. Guys, we were in Two Rivers here and we met one of our subscribers and she called us. And this is what she says right here, guys. Please, if you come in Kenya or if you are in Kenya, please. This is, how is business?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Now that I've owned the
Oh, the big area.
Yeah.
How did you recognize us actually?
I normally follow you from Marwa, the entire Nyapata.
Oh man, I'm so emotional, man. You know, this is the first time a subscriber is actually calling me Wow, man. Wow.
Thank you so much, my dear. I wish I was going to buy this right now. I don't know what I can eat like right now so I can promote you.
Hey, me, I have to eat something here. Honestly
like
speaking.
Instant?
Which is instant for you don't have to carry. We eat even you sit
Like
someplace.
you-
Yes.
Unless this ones. Oh,
How much does it go for?
it goes for 2,000.
2,000.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing, man. Actually, guys, she has best honey here.
But then now this one, if I buy like
To promote her with this, actually, I have to promote her business. Actually, give yourself a shout out here for the business and how everything is. Actually, yes,
Okay, all visitors,
Yes.
all Kenyans
Yes.
around Nairobi.
yes,
I sell honey
Yes.
at Two Rivers Mall,
yes.
opposite Carrefour. Welcome all.
Oh man, man, I have to buy this. Actually, guys, I have to buy this. Okay. All this mean how?
okay.
I'll use it even in South Africa. I'll use that.
They cannot like can you go with it?
Yes, I can go with it. We'll check in the bags. Yeah, so let me have this, guys, and it's amazing actually. Wow. This used to be one of the craziest ways when I was in Dubai. Actually, things used to be crazy. So we are in the next Dubai. Hey, Da Muhammad, bro, Prudent Traveler, you see this? Oh man, actually it's one of the greatest thing actually. This reminds me Dubai. Hello. Yes, you see. And the use of this, most of the people don't know the use of this. This is to wipe your shoes this way. To wipe your shoes. I know most of people don't know. Alright guys, so we are here. We might get lost, but the good thing is amazing. I was told this is the biggest mall in East Africa. Let's see. So guys, we just came from inside here, the big mall, to Rivers. Now, as I was here, I've been welcomed for Happy New Year in another place. So we wanna go there and just put my stomach so full and see whatever is going on the other side. I hope you have enjoyed the sights of this area, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this area, about the Two Rivers, about this side. Now we are heading to one of the big surprises. Please keep watching, subscribe if you haven't, and also don't forget to like, man. Like. If you like here today, actually it's like you have refueled this video, because liking is like refueling a video to pop up. So the good thing is, guys, as you're watching a video, man, please like. Please kindly, if you like, you have made it all. And don't also forget to check off the like, not only the like but also what we call like the ads. Don't forget the ads while watching. Don't skip the ads. So from here, the beautiful area of Two Rivers on the other side. It's my first time here, to be honest, my very first time, and I give much thanks to Main Howie for bringing me here. So the Two Rivers, as you see, it tells you Two Rivers. So from here we're going back to town. I'm going to see one of our friends. She was at Amara's place, and it's a big surprise for you guys. So let's head there and we wanna see what's going on around. In initial, this is it. I'm heading downwards. I think I'm the only person going opposite direction. So it's only that sometimes sitting in one place for Claude Joseph, it's crazy. So I'm moving on the other end. And one thing I like about this thing is flowers and other stuff, what's going on around. Man, as we buy land, count this on me. Count this on my land, actually, on the other end round. It's going to be one of the greatest area of the other side. Alright guys, thank you, and let's see you on the other side. Alright. So guys, we are heading to one of the greatest area again. Today was just showing you how Nairobi is on fire. guys. You must give us a recipe of this food. Hey guys, my guys. This year will be a non-stop of eating.
Guys, we're going to be eating like every day.
Non-stop.
So be ready for us.
Wow. Yes, my guys. This is made at it. Hey, you be told eat and eat.
You know, we ate pizza.
We ate pizza
somewhere.
They say pizza.
Yeah. Pizza.
How do girls say
pizza? So we ate and then now we're here eating again. I don't know if you're going to make it where we stay.
Me, honestly speaking.
And you took a whole chapati. You won't finish.
A whole chapati, I'll finish it. Med, come say hi to the guys watching you. Actually, under the cat is
ChANGE.
Yes.
Hi guys, how are you? You know what? I'm excited. Do you know who I have here? Harry and Claude Joseph. Rohan, I know you'll be watching this. Slim Jones, I know you'll be watching this. Your guys are here with me. I'm so excited.
And actually we interchanged the other stuff, so there we came there with here. So I think we're going to do it with you right here.
Yeah.
Yes. So the other one we kept. It's a secret, guys, coming.
The other ones we'll solve them when we get
We
back
said
home.
we solved them when we come back.
The ones for us we're going to do it with you here.
With you
Karibuni
here.
sana.
Yes.
Eat as much as you can.
Yes.
I know food might be good, but
Yes.
I hope you enjoy.
It's
Karibuni
good. It's
sana.
not might be. It's
Enjoy.
good. Alright guys, so after here we wanna share with you guys some great surprise that flew from USA to us before we go to SA. So the good thing is we have chicken here, chapati. I'm a chapati lover if you don't know, guys, and then something of a pilau actually. So before we end this video here, let's eat and celebrate together, and I'm wishing you a happy new year 2024. This is first 2024, first of 2024. So the way I love food.
I mean, I'm already full. I like it so much. And then I have a weakness. When I see you like a lot of food at once, I think I've told you that, I get full.
I have to eat.
You love food.
Eat until everything goes on well. Alright. You don't speak Swahili.
They are going. Wanapita. You are introduced kama South
Nikaona shtuka, eh? What did you see? So thank you, Bata. Guys, subscribe to _Bata. And also to me. Alright, guys. See you in the road as we're closing to the other side. Or this and I put this to this and I appreciate your love. I'm like, what? It's a new day. Remember we are to 3. We are to number 3. Day number 3. So guys, after eating we have some fruits over here which I love. We're having some great watermelons over here. But please Claude. And I'm so much happy they just put my video, one of my videos over there. I'm just like trying to watch and I'm so much happy to be with family around.
Yes.
You good?
I'm good, I'm full. I'm grateful to God. Thank you.
Alright, so much food. Let me see. Guys, my guys, I told you because each and every single time I usually change environment like a chameleon. I camouflage in each and every environment. So this time or this evening I'm in one of our subscribers, and also she's a content creator. She invited us for a happy new year dish and we are here for lunch. As you saw, we had a family all around. Everything was so nice and I was so much happy. I found them watching my video and I was like, oh my god, I'm a celeb on this other end. But it is at the grace of God. 2024 is one of the greatest area ever, and I'm really appreciating the love and support for each and everything. What I can urge you is please subscribe to Med at It, or subscribe to her YouTube channel, and also for Win Howie and every content creator around. So this evening, a happy new year on 1st January of 2024. It's one of the greatest area. It's one of the greatest area, and it's one of the greatest year ever. I'm wishing each and every subscriber, each and every viewer a happy new year, and everything is so great will be to you. This 2024 is one of the best year to each and every person around. So we are going to do one of the greatest unboxing of a gift that was sent through her, and we are going to unbox it before we go to South Africa. Here we are coming to South Africa. Please subscribe, and if you are there's some South Africans watching this, please man, subscribing. Cape Town, we're coming for you, and let's go for the real deal. Here we are, guys. Now here we come. Hey, see if I can go 2 feet here, all the way here, or maybe any place actually. So guys, this was the gift that was sent by Made at It, and it's one of the greatest gifts, and I've not even unboxed it because it was sent to Sirari, and we were from Sirari. So the very day we were coming to Nairobi, it was also sent to Sirari. So it was again resent from Sirari by Jaimu. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel because he picked it on behalf of us, and then he resent it to Nairobi. We picked it today with me and Hawi at Easy Coach, though it was so much crazy at Easy Coach, and we decided because she sent it here and we cannot unbox it on our own, we had to come with her so that she can unbox with us over here, and as she says goodbye to us. So please subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and wait for this. Wait for big surprise from USA, man. Actually, it's a new year with new gifts. New year, new gifts. Please, guys. I don't know I have no idea what's going on around, but let's wait for Mugambi. Yes, they're looking at best pictures over here.
Imagine.
They're looking at best pictures. Hey, okay. Amazing.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year, actually.
Yeah, sure.
It will be a picture to remember. So guys, right here now, as I told you, I want to introduce to you one of the greatest hosts who has hosted us here, and also she's a content creator. She's a sister to us. She was once in our place there in Nyabuhansa at the villa, and she was so nice to us. And of course, when Claude says she's so nice. As Claude, maybe. Let me say so. So, introduce yourself.
Guys, thank you so much, Claude, for hosting me in your channel.
Yes.
And road to 100,000. That's where we are going, guys.
Thank you so much.
No stopping.
Yeah.
Acceleration.
For sure.
So guys, my name is Medzatate. I'm so privileged and humbled by the mercies of God. New Year 2024. The first people who stepped in my house is
Here we are.
Claude, Joseph, and Mene Howie, and the police himself.
Hey.
Hi.
Yes.
When Howie here, we are at Meds, guys. It's amazing. Mwah. Thank you so much. We love you.
All right.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, sir.
Happy New Year.
How
Thank
are
you
you?
for your
I'm fine,
service.
thank
You
you.
great?
I'm great. I'm doing great.
How is everything?
It's fine.
It's great.
It's great.
Oh man, thank you so much. It's the first time seeing this face.
Me too.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, sir. So guys, we are here into a very great area, and
so that you appear Mintawi maybe.
so it will be better this way. You know me, I'm a soldier. Everything I do.
Yeah,
All right. So we are here, guys, and
I want to remind you.
Yes.
Also, there are things that were not part of the package that are in here.
oh, okay,
So
no
just remove
problem.
the package.
All right, no problem. So actually, we have a very great surprise around here. She was from Made at It, but it was like two-way traffic. It was two-way traffic. We were going as it was coming. So as it was like one thing, like it must be a must. We have it before we go to South. Before we travel. So because of the interchange, we decided to do one thing here, like to go and ask for it to be resent again to this area. But to be specific, it wasn't one thing was sent for Claude, but it was sent for Claude, Minhawi, and others. So I just decided to take what belongs to Claude and Minhawi to be sent back to Nairobi so that we can have it, and the rest will remain until we come from the other side.
Yeah.
So, and the one who sent it from here was her, and
Yeah,
I called.
and me, I was sent by your Jamaican
Wow.
friend.
Jamaica.
A Jamaican friend
Jamaica.
who is your subscriber, and he lives in the United States of
America.
Hi, Celestia, Babylon, here we come. Conquer of the Babylon, hi, Celestia. All Rastafarians and all Jamaicans in the buildings. We love
so
you.
much.
Thank you so much. So,
Yeah.
I mean, how? Will you help me or her?
I can.
Okay, let's.
That should not do hard work today.
Yeah, today. I know you are tired for today, actually.
You've done a lot of work.
Wow.
Mugambi.
Oh, we are unboxing, guys. Don't mind with our unboxing. Yes.
But me, how we give a cushion.
Yes.
I give
Yeah. It was packed for sure.
Yeah.
This is the seal for Easy
Easy
Coat.
Coat. They gave us some hard time, but we managed. Remember?
It's new time. They gave us hard time actually to pick this,
Yeah.
but we managed. Hey. Made at it.
Okay.
Should I?
Scream! I know you wanted this so much.
What?
I've seen something.
Don't faint.
Oh man. Let me see.
Link up.
Link up.
The idea is
Yes.
is linking Jamaica
And
and Kenya.
Oh no, man. I faint.
You failed.
I die. Jamaica, here we are. Hey. Let me see, man. Link up.
Is linking Jamaica
Yes.
Wow.
and Kenya,
Yes.
and he wanted something that will forever. This one
Yes.
will forever live. This can be what you want.
Yes.
I'll be putting it everywhere.
It will forever
For
live.
first time, I'll be doing this
Oh my
at
God,
first.
my big head.
Yeah, this one is adjustable for any head. For any head. For any head, including mine.
You know, the other time I was in South Africa with a Namibian cape.
La.
Hey, mister, hold this for me, please. Eh?
Wow. Don't worry about the things.
Hey,
Cause every little thing's gonna be alright.
I woke up in
Don't worry.
about the things.
Hey.
Hey, cause every little thing's gonna be alright. I woke up in the morning. Hey, you know the lyrics. Alright, guys. Alright, let's go to gift number
Wow.
2. Hey, Jesus Christ.
I know you want.
See, it says link up, YouTube, subscribe to Claude Joseph.
Yeah.
I die. I me. Hey.
Now this now I knew you wanted.
You let me show you now. Now this.
You didn't know you wanted
I
that.
know. I know for a fact he wants this. I know for a fact.
A hand.
Wow.
A hand.
Let me hold this for you. This I knew you wanted. For sure.
You've not even seen.
Let me see inside.
Let's unbox it.
What? You sit here for now. Sit here. Hey, some Jamaican money, right?
Oh, no.
Now all my stuff's from here to this. Wow. Man.
Wow.
I don't know what that cable is.
This is to
but it
connect
has
the
a
cable from here. It's actually from this side. You charge from phone from this side. I'll show you how to connect
Wow.
it. Yes. So you can actually, to avoid theft, you put your power bank from inside here. You charge your phone from outside.
Oh, okay. So wow.
So you can connect a phone as your power bank is inside here.
He wanted
Yes.
the best.
This is
the best.
this is the. Let me put it on.
Okay. Hold your popcorn for you.
You have not fainted. You're about
I
to faint.
fainted for this. Now me.
You wanted something like this so bad.
I don't know how you'll do it, but that's how it looks like.
Wow. Dude.
Now I look nice. I look a real content creator. The other time I was fake. Now this.
Now we're going to Jamaica. Jamaica link
Yeah,
up.
You guys must go to
Link
Jamaica.
up,
We
man.
must go
He
to
was so
Jamaica.
specific
Jamaica, here
about
we
the
come.
link up. Linking up Kenya and Jamaica.
Man.
Like, this guy loves you.
No.
You have not fainted. You want to faint?
Faint.
I'm a first off.
Me, I'll faint for this. Second, third time I faint. And we ride like Bayuguno and we say pa. It looks nice, man. Link up.
You will extend it the way you want.
Yeah, the way you want.
A week, you can extend it to fit.
Okay, yeah.
It has an
Wow.
extension.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The one who sent this.
You have not.
In Nairobi now.
Okay.
You want to
Let's-
faint? Give
let's-
number.
Claude Joseph. Actually, God loves Claude.
Wow.
Yeah. God loves us. You know why God loves Claude Joseph for Dizzy? I told you 2024. It's one of the best.
Wow.
I actually used to see people having this kind. Man, me, I die. A great gift. 2024. Great gift. Nairobi on fire. Let me put this in Howie.
This is mine, guys. And let me get up. Because sitting down. Wow, guys. Subscribe.
Let me put it on.
Guys. Oh my God. It's so nice.
When I tell you we have, even I was putting it bad.
1, 2, go.
Three. 1, 2,
3.
3.
Link up. Link up.
Link up, guys. Oh
Link
my
up.
God.
I think I should
God, this is
I should change my name to Link Up Cloud.
Wow.
Hmm?
Wow, guys. Jamaica. Hey. I'm impressed. I'm so impressed. Thank you so much. And look at this. Wow. Mwah. Thank you so much.
I woke up in the morning and I see Link Up. Now here, as you turn me around.
Okay, let me turn it. This is creative.
Thank you so much, Made at It. And thank you so much. Be blessed always, guys. What I can say is, please subscribe to Made at It. Look now.
The dollar bag of Minyawi has come out. This bag, if you see Minyawi putting it
All
down.
the time. All the time I have it.
You people, you think now I'm going to put them off?
No, you're going to.
No way.
Actually, it's so thoughtful because you insisted you have together before you travel. Yeah. Now, I was envisioning you in whichever, I don't want to mention, it's a surprise.
Yes.
And you're seated. You don't have to tell someone I'm in Harry.
I mean, hi.
It's so clear you're in Harry.
So they'll have to just check.
I'm telling you, let me tell you one thing, Minhawi. If we'll sit in the same seat, in which I request for this, they'll think maybe I'm married to you or you're married to me because we'll be like Kenya and Jamaica.
Oh, so one of us is Jamaican.
The one of us is Jamaican. I'll act Jamaican. Hey, what's up, guys?
Act Jamaican.
I'll act Jamaican. I'll be like a Jamaican.
First guy
is coming. First guy is for. He's looking with a third eye.
Look at this.
Subscribe to me. This was a
big surprise, actually, from
This is
USA.
nice. I'm so happy. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for this parcel. This amazing parcel. I love you. I have no words. Honestly. And guys, I have this as well.
Yeah, this is Min Harry.
Where?
Min Howie.
When you're in the beaches of,
Yeah, put on
Pretoria or maybe Santon. I don't know.
Pretoria, Port Elizabeth, Cape Town.
Man, you know.
Here we are, man.
That's how we do it, man.
That's how we do it, man. Come on, man. Thank you so much, Made at It.
Yes.
Be blessed always. Thank you so much, mister. Yes.
Okay, maybe the other thing was not sent. There's another thing.
Look inside. So guys, we are here. So thank you so much. You know my camera is dying.
Yeah, sure.
But I'm so much happy for the great work you have done.
Yes.
Be blessed always. For guys, look now. I look different. I look now content creator, traveler, commando, number 2. Yeah. So thank you so much. Please guys subscribe at
Meds at It.
Yes,
Meds at It.
I'll tag her name down below at the description point, and I really appreciate it.
Thank you
Be
so
blessed always, Made at It.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So and also be blessed always, brother. And thank you for allowing us in the space, man. Yes. Okay. And all right. And look, Jamaica is shining. Look at this, man.
I'm Jamaica ring right now, guys.
Now it will be Claude Joseph married to Minha.
Yes.
For Sky, don't come for us, please.
We pray that it can happen for Sky. Also, me, I'm rooting for it. I don't know if
Guys will kill me. Literally, they've already started coming for me.
the questions they're asking me now.
A lot.
Oh my
This is
God.
the most asked question. Minyawi Alisema, the most asked question.
Yeah.
Maybe some days when we are in South Africa, we have to do one of the greatest surprise.
Video.
Please wait for it, guys.
Yes.
Introduce yourself before we end this, and
Minhawi,
also your
guys.
last regards. to the one
Minhawi,
who
guys,
sent
I'm
this.
so grateful for Meds and the person who sent this to us.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your kindness. Thank you so much for remembering us at these moments that we were not even remembering ourselves. Like
Absolutely,
this.
yeah.
You're so amazing. You're so creative. Like even these. I don't know, you guys, you are a team that you made it so possible for us, and we're so grateful, Meds. May your channel blow.
Amen.
May you be successful like you've never been.
Amen.
May this year be that year like
Amen.
that you always wished for.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much,
Amen.
Claude. Also, thank you so much
Yes.
for always being my partner, my friend. Like we
Yes.
accompany each other and almost like literally do things together,
Together.
most of the time.
Yeah.
And I'm so grateful for you to have you just by my side. It means a lot. Thank
For
you
sure.
so much.
Be blessed always.
Yeah.
Actually, me I usually say, Med, never shall you rush for things.
Yeah.
Because with me, actually, it has taken me time.
Yes.
And I actually see the hand of God. The little by little. I was seeing others having the same tag name, and I was like,
When
how should I go? Or will I go do this on my
It's even
own?
better with Jamaica.
And I was
It's
like, man,
no,
but-
Jamaica.
And you love Jamaica.
I love
Yeah,
Jamaica
God's
so
time
much.
is the
I
best,
love
man.
Jamaica.
Jamaica, here we
I
are.
want to go to Jamaica so
We link
bad. I
up.
don't know how I'll do it, but I want to go to Jamaica so bad.
Maybe from
I've
South
been saying
Africa.
this for a long time. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I want to go to Jamaica so badly. Yeah, because
Maybe
I-
some days you like keep believing.
Yeah.
The way I told you, some days I wanna on land in Mudaiga Square over there. I will one day,
it's
and this will be
You
for
built a bulletproof house just like
over
a Jew.
there. Yeah, for
Just
sure.
like a Jew.
All right,
Just
guys.
like
Thank you so much. Be blessed always, and thank you so much, Made at It. Please, guys, you can do me a favor, very great favor.
Please
Go subscribe to our YouTube
Please.
channel. Also
Like,
watch her videos.
Yeah. That's the most important thing. Please
Yeah,
watch
for
her
sure.
videos. She needs something right now, which are just a few watch hours.
Yes.
So that we can tomorrow. Kindly want to see her blowing.
Absolutely,
Please,
actually.
guys.
Yeah.
Please. She hosted us, and when, after South Africa, maybe we'll come
Yes,
by.
definitely.
Yeah, for sure.
So yeah.
Be blessed always, and guys, I'm wishing you a happy new year, and be blessed always. Let this year be one of the blessed year for you. Be blessed, and bye, guys.
Yeah.